So, good day, sir. I am Christian Garces from the Bachelor of Science Marine Engineering, third year Bravo. This video, I'm going to answer the first activity which was given by our instructor, and the question is this: discuss about the disadvantages and advantages of gasoline engine and diesel engine. So, let me discuss first the advantages and disadvantages of diesel engine. So the advantages of diesel engine is it's more efficient and economical to use, and fuel vapor is not explosive. Exhaust gases are less poisonous, less carbon monoxide, and it has a greater lodging power and torque. Engines are durable and if properly cared for will maintain their economy. Next is the fuel is less volatile or no vapor lock problems. And next is the can use a variety of fuels and mixtures. So that is the advantages of diesel engines. So let's go on to each disadvantages. So the disadvantages of diesel engine is that engine must be stronger and heavier because of higher compression rates. Now it talks about the uh, parts of the engine. It must have stronger to for, to have a better outcome. So next is the initially it's more expensive because this type of engine is more open use in ship because it is durable. No, and the next disadvantage is that fuel could gel in colder climates. Next is that generally noisier operation. So as I've watched many marine vlogs about the engine or the in the ship works, I noticed that in the engine department is very noise due to the uh, main engine or other machineries in the engine department because most of the ship use diesel engine. And lastly is this very pungent exhaust odor, so it smells bad. So now let's talk about the disadvantages and advantages of engine gasoline engine. So the first advantages of gasoline engine or petrol engine is that high engine speed about 300 rpm. No, that's why this type of engine is most used in cars like sports cars because it can produce higher speed than diesel engine. Next is that lighter in weight because of maximum pressure and temperature is less. And next is less initial cost and less maintenance cost. And the disadvantages of petrol engine or gasoline engine is that low compression ratio ranging from 6 to 10. The thermal efficiency is lower due to lower compression ratio. Next, lastly is that running cost higher because pet petrol is costly. So, as you've noticed, or when you want to refill your vehicle in the gasoline station, the cost of the gasoline is much higher than diesel. So, why is that diesel is most used in the ship or the ship engine? Because it has the highest thermal efficiency due to its high compression ratio, like what I've mentioned earlier. Next is that more efficient. Gasoline engine converts about 3% of their fuel energy, while the diesel engine converts of their fuel energy up to 45%. Next is that diesel engine is safer. It does not refuse or release fumes like gasoline does. And lastly, the diesel engine is more reliable. They don't need high voltage ignition. They don't need high voltage ignition systems. Never fail for and lack of spark. That's all for this video, and I hope you've learned something in my discussion. Thank you and God bless.